Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup and subscription boxes. Speaking of subscription boxes, I do have my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus PR package from Ipsy. Thank you to Ipsy for gifting. I'm late to the party this month on this box show, and I'm very sorry. As you know, we're in a different place. I just moved a couple nights ago. If I remember at the end of this, because y'all know my squirrel brain, I'll show you what my beauty room currently looks like. All right, beauties, ignore the random hanger on the floor. Don't honestly know what that's all about. Yeah, this is the beauty space for until I feel like coming in here and working on it. And this space is much smaller than my other space was. And I also used to have a separate office for all of my shipping and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I had to try to squeeze both of those rooms into a small space, which, hey, I'm not complaining. I love our home. I'm excited about it. I'm happy that we downsized. We needed it, truth be told. But yeah, it's a lot. But I will hopefully have it together in the next few days. All right, bye. So I'm in my bathroom. But each and every single month I do receive my Ipsy PR box. I will show you what you could possibly get in your own box, and I also still get my paid for box. So this is a spoiler alert. If you do not like spoilers, then I will see you on the next one. Also, how the hell are you? I miss you guys. I have not, look, you guys have not seen this face in like a month. It's been crazy, to say the least. Moving 3 households in the course of 3 weeks, y'all. Mama's tired. I'm tired as hell. Let's get in here. Let's hope we have some good stuff. This is how our box comes every single month. They just kind of throw stuff in here, so your guess is as good as mine, like which one comes in a regular glam bag and which one comes in a Glam Bag Plus. I do see some purple and I see some Halloween-y stuff though. So we have ipsyopenstudios, and it is October 2022, and it is Halloween, or Haul like H-A-U-L. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month. Welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. So here's our information. Of course, it is Ipsyopenstudios. And typically you'll have the products inside. It does not say it on this. Oh, y'all know I don't even get spoilers for myself. This bag is to freaking die for. Look, it's just black, unassuming, nothing special, nothing to write home about. Then you have a purple zipper with a spider zipper pull. And the back is embossed with a spider web. Y'all, how freaking cool is this? Now, I don't know what's what with this because I'm only seeing 4 items in the little bag, and then I'm seeing other items over here. I'm going to assume maybe the brush went with the regular bag. Like I said, your guess is as good as mine. Alright, so first up, I see a YC Collection brush. I actually just got a 3-pack in my last box. It is a beautiful black with pink, and then black with pink ombre for the top part of it. That is super nice. It feels incredibly soft. I have not tested mine yet. Again, you know, moving and such. But they're weighted very nicely, and I like the length of them, so very excited about that. Next up is the Basic Beauty lipstick in the shade Fall for You. Did you mean to do that, Ipsy? Did you mean to do that? I'm trying to show y'all this. And they are cruelty-free. Of course, anything that we know we're not going to use, we pay it forward and put it in a Pay It Forward Friday. Just kind of very classic, like sleek packaging. Ooh, it is a beautiful, deep kind of brick berry red. I think I'll keep it. I'll decide. I'll decide by the end of the video. Y'all know we try not to be wasteful around here. Next up is the Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. That sounds incredible. This, of course, is like a mini or travel size. I do have the big tub of it. I have not tried it yet, but so many of you guys, when I got it a few months ago, said that you love it. So I'm excited about that. Next up is the Fab, or First Aid Beauty, the Fab Pharma Calamine Pore Purging Mask. I'm tired. Probably won't use this. I'll go ahead and stick it in my PIF for you guys. Next up is the Bare Minerals Maximist Phyto Fiber Volumizing Mascara. The wand and stuff looks really nice. You guys know I like a fluffy wand, so I will keep that. Y'all know I'm a mascara hoe. I can't help it. I can't help myself. I cannot help myself. And then we have, every month it's going to be a corresponding, not a matchy bag. This angle, y'all, the angle's not very cute. You get a corresponding bag. They nailed this month's bags. I mean, that is beautiful. Kate, if you see this, if you want this, let me know. All right, so I think these are all the items because it's typically 5 full-size items in the Glam Bag Plus. First up is the Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. I need these. Can y'all tell I need these? Can y'all tell that Mama needs these? I really like that container too. That's pretty cool. And it says clean and dry your face, peel and stick, of course. And they have glycerin, purified water, collagen, aloe vera, vitamin C. I'm definitely going to be testing these out. If you don't know, typically right before I film, you know, if I was in my filming space, I sit down and I do my eye drops and then I do under eye patches before filming. So I love this. We'll definitely use these. And they're perfect for like fall and winter. Next is a palette, True Nude by Element. Oh, the lipsticks that I've tried from Element Beauty, phenomenal. Okay, it just says True Nude. I don't know if it's a shadow palette. Yes, Element Beauty eyeshadow palette. They are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Nothing to write home about. Kind of standard, basic, but I do like that it has the shade names on the back. I'm not going to keep this. When they say True Nude, honey, they mean True Nude. Just very soft, very neutral, very basic. Not that there's anything in the world wrong with that, but I like very punchy, warm, yummy, delicious, like shadow colors. So, I mean, of course it doesn't go to waste. And they weren't lying. It is a True Nude palette. So we'll put this in the pay it forward pile as well. Next up, a brand I really love is the Dr. Brandt Facial Cleanser. It just says facial cleanser. I've never really heard of this one right here, but I'm reading on the back, oily and combination skin. So y'all know my skin is dry as the Sahara. We're going to pass this along as well. Next is the KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner Long Wear Gel Liner. Oh, I'm glad it's a pencil liner because I don't use like felt tip or liquid liners very often. Not that I use liners very often. But I know that this is a good one and it's bulletproof, so we'll keep this one as well. And then last but not least is the Fenty Beauty, the Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Illuminizer and Plumper, ooh, in Hot Cherry. I am going to try this right now. If you are not new here, then you know that I'm obsessed with the Too Faced lip injections, like the extreme one. I love it. So it is a pretty, almost like a jelly red. It's not like a true kind of opaque red, and it has little glitters in it. Hopefully you don't actually see those or feel those. I still can't smell anything, or I would smell this for you and let you know if it smelled delicious or rank. But, you know, COVID. All right. Ooh. I love the doe foot applicator. It is huge, and it feels so damn good. I don't feel anything just yet. We'll wait just a second on that. And then I will look at my little sheet finally. Okay, so it says some of our standouts for this month. We have the YC Collection Cheek Brush. The precision bristles on this brush are ideal for applying blush evenly and flawlessly with 0 smudges. Get ready to get flawlessly flush. And it says $22, so that's pretty good. The Kopari Ultra Restore Body Butter. This is a sample size, a deluxe sample size. The full size would be $32. And it says, thanks to this whipped body butter, your skin will be smoother than ever. It's packed with hydrating hyaluronic acid, coconut oil, and antioxidant-rich plant extracts to moisturize and protect. That sounds fantastic. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Heat. Give your lips an instant plump job with Gloss Bomb Heat. This lip illuminizer and plumper hybrid delivers a hint of a tint. It does. It's nice and like a pretty flush to the lips. And fuller looking lips thanks to an innovative plump job complex. And it's $24. I do feel like I'm seeing a little bit of plumpness, but I don't feel anything, which is quite strange because most plumpers, like even the Too Faced one, I always give a warning when I do talk about how much it's a holy grail to me. It is quite intense. I'm seeing a little bit of plumpness. It's definitely hydrating. It feels nice on the lips, but I don't feel anything. I don't feel any tingling or burning or anything like that. And that's 24 if I didn't say. The KVD Vegan Beauty Tattoo Pencil Liner. This iconic waterproof liquid eyeliner with tattoo bold pigment and a needle precise brush tip gives sharp lines every time, and it's $22. Well, that says pencil. And this says liquid. Hold, please. It's in green! Holy crap, even freaking better. If you didn't know, I love green. I'm obsessed with green. Please be a pencil. I think it is. I think it is. I think it is. Yes. Holy shit, dude. I'm gonna love this. I already know it. It is a pencil, and it is in this deep, deep jade green. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. So I don't know if this one is also $22. That's cool. I'm excited about it. And then Dew of the Gods Filla Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. This is Filla, and she is filled with the good stuff. Combat dull, tired under eyes with a powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. Tip, do not use any moisturizers or serums prior to this. Obviously, your skin needs to be dry enough that it kind of stick to the skin. And that's $20. I feel like that's not bad at all. I'm starting to feel a little something. Very, very subtle. Definitely not like the Too Faced Lip Extreme. So if you're looking for something that gives a little bit of plumpness and the hydration and the shine, a little kiss of color, I think you might like that a lot. I like this. I like both combinations a whole lot. I freaking am obsessed with the bags. And even though it's not Friday, we're going to do a Pay It Forward Friday right here and right now. You're going to be getting the Dr. Brandt product. You're going to get the Element Beauty True Nude and the Fab Beauty, the Fab Pharma. All you have to do is comment down below. Any comment, you must be subscribed, and I have to be able to confirm that you are subscribed. But all rules and everything are down below. It may take me a while to get this out, just noting that for you guys. But I love you, beauties. What did you think of this box? 10 out of 10. I love almost everything in here. I'm starting to feel this. Again, not abrasive, but I feel it now. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.